Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing for cryptos which are Matic, POLYGON, Apecoin, Tron and Aptos. We will see where they might move over the next weeks. We will see something very interesting. Please subscribe to our channel to receive our real-time trading signals and our analysis on cryptos, stocks, commodities and forex. Then you can join our community at patreon.com/financial trading academy. Let's start with Matic POLYGON on a daily basis. In the upper section we see the price inside the two volatility bands and also the volume profile, while beneath we find the cycle. Now, in terms of volatility, every time we have seen the price hitting, in this case, the upper volatility bands, then we have experienced a retracing, okay? So the price moved on the other way. So it happened here with this long white candle breaking above the upper volatility band. From here, from 1.50, we've experienced a strong movement downwards till $0.60. So what is going to happen next? Now we see here a reversal ball with an increase in terms of volumes. We see here a spike in volumes. Now if we analyze the volume profile, we see a D shape, okay? This is a low node volume, which means from here we should be expecting a reversal. Now if we analyze the cycle, we see that actually right now we are at the end, we are at the bottom of the descending phase. Now if we switch to the weekly chart, we can analyze both the two cyclicality, and what we see here is that actually even in this case we are bottoming out. So what is the conclusion? So what we should be expecting for Matic POLYGON over the next weeks? Let's say that actually there is the chance to see POLYGON keeping moving downwards till this area, more or less 0.48, $0.50, okay? From here, expect a huge movement up. So what I'm saying is that Matic POLYGON is extremely promising over the next weeks. Personally, I will be monitoring the area between $0.50 and $0.60. I will be entering right now at market, and I will be accumulating once Matic POLYGON might move till $0.50. The reason is that in terms of cyclicality, we are actually bottoming out, so we expect a new weekly cycle on the upside, and once we analyze the weekly cycle, actually we are predicting the movement for the next months, okay, 2 years, 3 years. So actually what is happening right now for Matic POLYGON is that we are bottoming out, and I personally expect a very strong movement over the next weeks. I keep restating that I strongly believe that a huge movement up, a very strong movement up will be in place as of July 2023, okay, for at least 3 months. Let's move on and let's analyze Apecoin. For Apecoin, we have a similar scenario. You see here the importance of deploying two volatility bands. Even in this case, we see that the price has hit the lower band with an increase in terms of volumes. In this case, the point of control is passing by at $4. We are here as well in the daily cycle. Even in this case, we are bottoming out. Now, if we have the chance to switch to the weekly chart, we will be better understanding where actually Apecoin might move over the next month. Okay. Meanwhile, that is uploading, we can switch to Tron. Okay. For Tron, we have a different scenario. Okay. I'm pretty much not very enthusiastic about Tron, and the reason why I'm not very enthusiastic is because Tron keeps moving horizontally. Okay, now here we see the point of control passing by at $0.06. I'm detecting a bearish divergence. In fact, while the price has been moving higher, did not happen for the cycles. Okay, we do not see higher highs for the cycle. Okay, now if we zoom out, actually again in terms of trading, in terms of mere speculation, a buy long could be placed here where the point of control is passing by. Okay, where we see this yellow line at 0.066 for just a short-term trading. okay? But if you are a long-term investor, then it makes sense to buy Tron only above 0.10 US dollar, okay? Otherwise, I do not see any reasons why you should be buying. Here you have a better idea, okay? So as you can see here, Tron keeps moving horizontally. Right now we see a new cycle, okay? We see a new cycle, yet and Tron is moving at 0.07 US dollar, so is moving around this area horizontally. So what happens is that after a certain period of time, then we see the explosion, okay? So we should be expecting a very strong movement higher. Yet, in terms of in terms of mere trading, a buy long could be placed only above this area, 0.10 US dollar. So until Tron is moving at 0.07 US dollar, and I also expect a short period weakness for Tron, to me there is no sense to actually buy Tron, because there are much better opportunities right now that you can speculate on. Let's see Aptos, and then we will have I will make a recap for your understanding. So we've been analyzing Matic, Apecoin, Tron, and Aptos. Please, guys, if you like the video, give a thumb up and also share the video and leave a comment. So Aptos, as you can see here, is moved actually from 20 US dollar till 6.28 US dollar. In terms of speculation, we are inside a very strong bearish movement that I've been predicting several times. Actually, there is a big chance to see Aptos keeping moving downwards still for US dollar. Okay, so right now I would be actually a buyer for Aptos only as a short-term trade, okay, so just in terms of speculation, only at once Aptos will be hitting for US dollar. I strongly believe that Aptos is going to move till this area, okay, for US dollar, and then we will need some actually spike in terms of volumes. As you can see here, we have a big lack in terms of volume. So right now, for me, Aptos is not a tremendous buy for sure, and it's not a buy as well. So much safer area will be here between 3 and 4 US dollar, and also we will be monitoring the volumes. Once we will be experiencing a big increase in terms of volumes, then we will see the chance to buy Aptos. So in terms of hierarchy, definitely my favorite one is Matic Polygon, then Apecoin, third place for Tron, and last one for Aptos. Thank you, guys.